Hello guys, welcome back again to another interesting video. Today we are gonna unbox and set up the pTron musicbot cube. This is the box. It's a portable smart speaker powered by battery. It is made in India. We have the specifications here. It has a 50mm 3-watt speaker, 3 far-field mics. It has 2600 mAh battery with 6 hours of playback time. It's black in color and the price mentioned here is 5,299, but you can get it for 1799 on Amazon.in. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Opening the box, we have the paperwork, brand card, a user manual, and the configuration manual. You can see the QR code for downloading the app, and we have the device here. We have some more stuff. Look into it first.
"2,000 years later."
We have the charger. The quality feels really cheap. Oh, it's a 5-volt 1 amp charger and a micro USB cable. And an aux cable. That's in the box. Okay, this is the smart speaker. What is this? Some kind of a powder. Okay, we'll find it later. On the top we have the LED here and some buttons and ports on the back. Let me try to clean this. Oh, it's working. I cleaned it and it looks great now. Okay, let's power this on and set up the Alexa. Press and hold on the power button on the back. You can see a LED light on the top. There it is. Let's get the app. pTron musicbot cube. Follow the instructions on the screen. The app from the Play Store as well as iOS App Store. Searching for devices. Select the device. Okay, you have to sign in with your Amazon account and allow access. Connect to your Wi-Fi or hotspot. Yes, that's it, it's done. Oh no, what again? Let me try to restart the device. Yes, now you can see the device here. Yeah, the setup is complete. I have replaced the product and there are some problems with the product. But this time the product came with a different logo, the material is different. And it also have the same blue color powder something on the front. Okay, let's do a physical overview. We have 3 microphones on the top and LED. The LED glows when you wake up Alexa. And on the back we have the buttons, the volume plus and minus, Alexa wake up button or mic on off button, the Bluetooth button, the power on off button. We have the micro USB port for charging, the LED indicator, aux port and the reset button. The material used on the top of the device is something like which attracts the dust and dirt. Okay, let's check the audio quality now. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 5:54 p.m.
Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like. Bollywood duets on Amazon Music.
Now whatever you wear, babe,
Alexa,
you can make the whole room stare.
Alexa,
But you know that my favorite
Alexa,
is when you're rocking that this is where
Alexa, stop music. Yeah, you can see here if it's playing any music, it's unresponsive. You have to bring it near to respond. If sound is your top priority, you should choose the Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation or the 2nd, 3rd generations. Other than that, it has some well-packed features. It can control all smart appliances with Alexa and it's completely portable. I will leave the link in the description if you're interested in buying. Do check it out. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and hit the like button. I will be back again. Thank you.